Right now, above your head, a silent race is happening. Not for Mars, not for the Moon, but for control of the next internet. Stored not on Earth, but in orbit. Yep, companies are secretly competing to build data centers in space. And if they succeed, the entire cloud, your files, your apps, your AI might never touch Earth again. This isn't sci-fi. The first prototypes have already been launched, and the consequences? Massive. Cheaper AI, cleaner energy, total privacy, or total surveillance. So let's break down why tech giants want your data off the planet, and why it could change life more than the invention of the internet itself. So why move a data center into space? Well, Earth's data centers are basically giant ovens. They eat 3 to 5% of all electricity on the planet, and most of that is just for cooling. They guzzle water and take up huge amounts of land. Now imagine this: the minus 20-degree vacuum of space, which offers free, perfect cooling, zero land usage, and near-limitless solar energy 24/7 without clouds or nighttime. Putting servers in orbit solves our massive energy problem overnight. And for companies running huge AI models that cost millions of dollars a day, this is pure gold. It makes the impossible possible. This isn't just a futuristic dream. NASA, the European Space Agency, and the whole swarm of ambitious startups are already in the game. But the real secret players? Big tech, the very companies that already run the cloud. Microsoft has already tested underwater data centers to solve the cooling problem. Amazon Web Services has launched satellites specifically for space computing. And rumors are flying that at least 2 major tech giants are quietly funding orbital server farms, because they know the first one to build a working model does. And just win a race, they own the next trillion-dollar industry. So how would this even work? Imagine an orbital data center as a cluster of satellites all linked together by high-speed laser internet. Your data is uploaded, stored in orbit, processed in orbit, and then sent back down to Earth at the speed of light. This means your connection could be faster and more reliable than ever. But here's where it gets really crazy. Advanced AI models could run entirely in space. That means they could exist completely outside Earth's jurisdiction, answering to no single government. This creates a digital Wild West, where powerful AI can operate without regulation. Of course, this isn't all sunshine and solar panels. There are huge questions we need to answer. What happens when a satellite holding petabytes of sensitive data falls out of orbit and burns up? Who controls information that exists outside any nation's borders? What if these orbital servers become military targets in a future conflict? And here's the big one. If your entire digital life, your memories, your identity, your finances is stored in space, does a company, or even a country, now own you? The ethical implications are staggering. But the potential upside is just as mind-blowing. Experts predict that within just 10 years, orbital data centers could reduce the energy used for computing on Earth by 50%. AI models could run 10 times cheaper, accelerating breakthroughs in medicine, science, and technology. The climate impact of our digital world could drop to nearly zero. Imagine an internet powered entirely by the sun. Imagine global broadband that never goes offline, even during natural disasters. Imagine your digital life stored somewhere humanity can't destroy, by accident or by design. So the next time you upload a photo, run a search, or ask an AI a question, just remember your data might not stay on Earth for long. The space internet is coming, and the companies who build it first will control the future. This race is happening right now, mostly in secret, and its outcome will define the next century. If you want a deep dive on which companies are secretly winning this orbital race, comment below and I'll cover the inside story in a future video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The future is just getting started. Thanks for watching.